What the heck is a storyboard? Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, small workshop guy. Welcome to my small one-car garage workshop in beautiful Santa Cruz, California. So here's a perfect example. Let's suppose I want to have double tenons that are going to go through a board that's that thick and stick out on the other side and get all rounded off. So I want to cut this. My board is 3.5 wide, and I want it to be 1/2 on the two outsides and 3/4 in the middle and 7/8. What you want to do is take your storyboard, which is square on all sides, and mark it off really, really carefully. Now I've put ink on here so you can see it. So here we are. I need to lay this out on this end, and then I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it again and again and again. Anytime you're going to do it a multitude of times, just stop and create yourself a customized ruler, i.e. a storyboard. So here's my storyboard all laid out. I just get this nice and firmly on there. I've traced this down the sides so that also I want to know my reference side, so I mark a reference side and a reference side. So wherever I am, I do the same thing, just in case there's any little variability. And then with that all laid out as a perfect custom ruler for what I want for that job, I just make those marks and then use whatever I'm going to use to, carry those down on the workpiece. That allows you to do that over and over. If you try to measure it over and over, I can guarantee you'll mess up somewhere in a big project. All right, here's another example. This one happens to be a somewhat larger storyboard. This is a real live cabinet. It's going to be a router table cabinet, and I'm going to have a multitude of drawers. And so I have the plans that I've created in SketchUp and built the carcass, and now maybe I got something off on the carcass, and so the real world is different from the intended plans. So I mark off a storyboard according to the plans, and then I can put that in the real world case carcass or cabinet carcass and see if things are going to work out. So in this case, I wanted to have this to be 11 3/8 and then 1/16 and then 3/4 and then 4 1/4 and then 1/16 and 3/4, 4 1/4, 1/16, 3/4, so forth. So what, am I going to take a measuring tape or something and try to mark that off on the inside of this cabinet so that I know where to put my runners and things? This cabinet's going to be built with pleats instead of poles, drawer poles. And the answer is no. That if I had to do that here and here and here and there and there and there, I'm going to screw it up. Plus it's hard to do a measuring tape. So take your time, sit down, use your measuring tape here, get everything perfect, double check it. Then you can hold it up to your workpiece and you can say, you know what? That's going to be perfect. That top drawer is barely going to be below that face frame, and so that is all going to work. Now I can mark off with my storyboard where I'm going to put things. The other thing I would do in a cabinet like this is I would cut a piece that goes all the way back, that is this, this 11 3/8. So that I know when I set stuff on top of there and drill that cleat and put it in there, it's not going to be up or down or somewhere, because that would make the drawer not clear and not work. So anyway, that is a storyboard. It's a customized ruler, perfect for whatever job you're working on. Small workshop guy, hoping you enjoyed these series of What the Heck Is videos. We'll be doing a lot more of them. Stay safe in your workshop, and always remember, you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf.